So we've just arrived at where we're building the chicken coop, just to kind of check on the progress. I see a lot of blocks here, but they should be over there. So I'm not sure how much progress they've been able to make. I know they were having trouble with the truck yesterday that was delivering them. It had broken down quite a few times. So in the meantime, here's David. Here's our man. Yeah, he's in charge of the agriculture and the chicken farm. Him and his son Junior. Hey Junior.
Yes.
How are you, sir?
Fine.
Good. So they're working really hard here. They just brought it now?
The sand.
Okay.
The blocks right here. The blocks here, the meter, the sand, and the truck just came. Then we saw the sand over there.
Okay. So they haven't been able to build yet? Okay. That's Liberia, man. All right. Well, the goal was to try to have it built before I leave, and pretty sure we're going to be able to do that. Hopefully this is the last day of delays. Now that they got the sand they needed to mix the cement, they could probably start. I don't think today though, it's already later in the afternoon. What's there?
Well. So that we're using water for the sponsor is doing that.
Careful. I'm not wearing the best footwear for this journey, but I'm not really sure what Sam was saying they're doing here. So what are they doing here, Sam? What?
Water, so if they use that to coop, to clean up.
Oh.
Yeah.
So they're digging another well here by hand. Hi, Alfonso.
Yeah. So they will use that for the construction because the place is closer. And then afterward we'll use the water from there to...
For the chickens.
Yeah. Thank you, man.
Alfonso.
That's our strong security.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, we hope today is the last day of the week, man.
Wow, so I think you guys got that. So Alfonso, our security guy, is digging a well by hand so we can use the water, not just for the construction, you know, like to mix the cement and stuff, but afterwards it'll be like a little mini well to be able to use for the chicken coop. I mean, just so industrious, ambitious. I mean, they keep on going because they're so excited about the chicken coop project because they know what it means. Sorry for the glasses, but these are those POV glasses. So you're seeing the video on your phone here, and I'm recording myself recording the video. So we'll see what this looks like when it's done. But anyways, that's the update for now.